Hi students, in this section we will discuss some more problems JEE. Okay, listen carefully. Here the problem is integral x to the power of 1 by 3 into 2 plus x power 2 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 4 into dx. So this is the problem. How to solve this problem is 2 plus x to the power of 2 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 4 is there. Here x to the power of 1 by 3 is there. This is just a substitution problem. Now here put 2 plus x to the power of 2 by 3 equals to some t power 4. T power 4. Differentiating both sides. So derivative of 2 0. So this is 2 by 3 into x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1. That is minus 1 by 3 dx equals to 4t cube dt. Okay. Right. So it implies here 2 by 3 d. Now dx is equals to this can be written as 3 by 2 into 4 into so x to the power of 1 by 3 t cube dt. Okay, so here 2 times cancel. So 6 x to the power of 1 by 3 t cube dt dx is equals to. Substituting these values here, then it becomes 1. So this equals to x to the power of 1 by 3 into, look here, x plus x to the power of 2 by 3 means t power 4. That is t power 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. So 6x to the power of 1 by 3 t cube into dt, right? T cube into dt. So this here 4 cancel. So this is t power 4 x to the power of 2 by 3. Totally that value is 6 into. So here t means t power 4. T power 4 into x to the power of 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3. Totally x to the power of 2 by 3 dt. So right, according to this, so x power 2 by 3 equals to t power 4 minus 2. So substituting these values here. So this equals to 6 into t power 4, okay. Right, x power 2 by 3 means what? That is t power 4 minus 2 dt. Now take integration. So this is t power 8 minus 2 t power 4 dt. Right? Now 6 into, this is t power 9 by 9 minus 2 into t power 5 by 5 plus c. So t is equals to what? So t equals to, t power 4 is equals to value. T is equals to 2 plus x to the power of 2 by 3 whole to the power of, that's 1 by 4. That's why instead of t, so 2 plus x to the power of 2 by 3 whole to the power of 9. So whole power 9 by 4, that value is 9 by 4 by 9 plus minus 2 into minus 2 by 5 into t means 2 plus x to the power of 2 by 3 whole to the power of 5 by 4 plus c. This is the solution of this problem. Okay, thank you. Right, next problem. Integral of 1 by x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 plus x square whole power 5 by 2 into dx. How to solve this problem means, look here. This is x to the power of 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. Take x square common outside. That is x square means x square whole to the power of 5 by 4. So that is x to the power of 5 by 2. 1 plus 1 by x square whole to the power of 5 by 4 dx. Okay, right. So here x power half is there, here x to the power of 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2 and half. 2 and half plus half, totally 3. This equals to 1 by x cube into 1 plus 1 by x square whole to the power of 5 by 4 dx. Now this is just a substitution problem. So here 1 plus 1 by x square is equals to t. So derivative of 1 0. Derivative of 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube dx equals to dt. So it implies, so this is 1 by x cube dx equals to minus 1 by 2 dt. Substituting these values here, then it becomes what? 1 by x cube. 1 by x cube means what? 1 by x cube dx equals to minus 1 by 2 dt. So this is t. This is 1 by t power 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 dt, that is, so this is equals to minus 1 by 2 into, this is t to the power of minus 5 by 4 dt. This is equals to minus 1 by 2 into t power minus 5 by 4 plus 1 by minus 5 by 4 plus 1 plus c. So this is equals to what? Minus 1 by 5. So minus 1 by, this is 4. So 4 minus 1 by 4. Minus means minus minus plus, so totally 4 by 2 into t to the power of, this is 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. This is minus 1 by 4 plus c. Okay, so the 2 times cancel. So this is equals to what? This is equals to 2 into 1 by t power 1 by 4 plus c. That is the value. So t is equals to what? T equals to this one. This is equals to 2 into 1 by 1 plus 1 by x square whole to the power of 1 by 4 plus c. Now to the simplification. This is x square. X square means x square, take this one numerator. X square whole to the power of 1 by 4 by 1 plus x square whole to the power of 1 by 4 plus c. Got it? So this is equals to 2 into, so 2 times cancel, x power half means root x by, this is 4th root x of 1 plus x square plus c. This is the solution of this problem. Okay, do it. So thank you very much.